Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading Partners along with Bob Iagino. So Bitcoin just barely holding on the rotation zone. I'm going to be watching just below the rotation zone about the 86.90 level. If we get a close below there, going to start watching for 84.30 area. Then if we drop below there, 8,000 again. Here's why we focus on the candle bodies. Just wanted to point this out because remember we talked about the rotation up, and the next level I was watching was around 91.70, 91.80. If you focus on these candle bodies instead of the wicks, your eye will get drawn here and here, and then probably here, here and here. So you have a little range in. And then if we follow that range over, look, if we follow that over, look how nicely it gave you an area to target. That's why too many people tend to focus on the extremes and the wicks, and the markets just don't repeat there all the time. A lot of times they repeat key closes, key opens, key moves away from key closes. Like this was a key close, and then you have to move away from it, so your eyes are drawn right here. And look at that. That's exactly where it topped out again. Just wanted to show people that. It's very helpful to learn to start watching, especially for support and resistance. Again, people look at here and there's no clear support and resistance. Yes, there is. It's right here. See, if you follow these candle bodies, look at this. Look, it can go into wicks. You don't have to have every candle body line up, but it gives you an area to really target. So just wanted to hope that helps people. Just trying to give you something that I've worked on for many years and really helped me. Take a look at daily chart. Here's our daily chart. So remember, we're still extended from the rotation zone, so we could easily fall back to this 8,500 level very easily on the daily and just reconnect with the rotation zone. If we did fall back around below there, I'd then focus on this 8,000, 8,023 to 8,000. Right in the middle of the daily rotation zone, flat 200, and a Gann retracement level. So those are things we're watching. Keep in mind, it is still oversold, so we can easily still pull back. The levels to the upside are still all the same. Ethereum, all right, coming up here. Could not hold the rotation zone, acting weaker than Bitcoin at the moment, coming down here, tapping into the 50-period exponential moving average, also cutting into these wicks. And again, see, if you look at the candle bodies here, you see these candle bodies, then it's just below these wicks, but then you come over here and look where we're finding current support right here. That's what's really helpful. Hope that helps some of you. In temporarily oversold condition on the 4-hour, but that's not major. If we do drop below here, let's go out to the daily chart. To the upside real quick before I do that, the rotation zone is now flat. On any rally, first area I'd watch is about 213, and then I come up to here, this 217.50 area, and then up to 223. Those are all the key levels to the upside based off the 4-hour. Switching to the daily, look at this. The rotation zone coming right down, tapping the daily rotation zone, holding there, rallying a bit. But if we get a close below about this 205 level, start watching for the pullback. Minor support. See this little ledge right here, this thin little ledge. So that's about 197. Then if we fell through there, watch for the bottom of the rotation zone, about 189.60 to 190. It still is overbought, so we can still easily pull back. But those are all your key levels for Bitcoin and Ethereum. And we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.